And with this strategy, this brand is one of the store using Qikify with our highest upsell revenue from BXGY offer. And actually, on average, they earn more than $100,000 per month. This is the BXGY. This strategy can help you increase the average order value. But how do we make this offer truly irresistible? The first one, I think you should offer maximum of 3 complimentary products. To help you understand better, here are 2 examples of BXGY offer. You can see that one is the bad example and other is a good example. I think it's quite easier to see that with this example one, it has too many choices that can overwhelm the customer. Instead, with the example 2, the offer is limited to just 2 complimentary products. So this simplify the decision-making process of the customer. If you want to make your offer become more appealing and easier for your customer making a decision, you should limit the offer with maximum of 3 complimentary products. And with the second tips, I think you should choose the complimentary product with lower perceived cost but high value, because the cross-sell item should be valuable enough to excite customer but the cost effective for your business. So here is the example that I want to show you. This brand sell a paper camera for more than 100. However, you can see that they have applied the rules when choosing complementary products such as battery, memory card, which are priced reasonably between $8 and $12. In this way, it's not only increase the value of the offer, but it also have the customer easier to add this item to cart. By following these tips for your BXGY offer, it will have you have an exclusive deal that customer can resist. Here's the case study from Castellan, aka the Garrison. With the strategy using the BXGY offer, they create the offer when the customer click on the add to cart button. This pop-up will be shown when the customer buy a suit. They offer the customer to buy a white shirt and the tie to complete their look. And with this strategy, this brand is one of the store using Qikify with our highest upsell revenue from BXGY offer. And actually, on average, they earn more than $100,000 per month thanks to this strategy.